Finally, this is Sateesh Patnaik, your keyword trainer. Today's our class is Core Java first class. See, anyone can listen this class, like IT people, non-IT people, BTech students, or any graduates or postgraduates, housewives. Anyone can listen this class. Okay, no need of any pre-knowledge on the programming. Okay, even you don't know about C, C++, no issue. So here you can listen the session. I'll start from the basics onwards. Okay, now coming to the Java session. See, tomorrow I'll repeat the same class in Telugu. If any Telugu people are there, please you can continue with our tomorrow session. Okay, see, first of all, coming to the core Java. See, initially the Java is a case sensitive language. Java is a case sensitive language. See, what is this language? Actually, in our IT field, we have languages and packages. In our development side, we have languages and packages. Java is an example for language. .NET is an example for package. Package means that is having some predefined things. So directly we can use that predefined things. But language is not like that. You need to design everything. You need to design everything. See, for your understanding purpose, I'll explain a small example. See, uh, package means that is like a ready mix. Package is like a ready mix. Whereas language means we need to prepare it with using our own knowledge or our own uh, skills. Okay. For example, a general example. Today I want to prepare some biryani, or today I want to prepare some curry or biryani like that, for example. So in the market, we have a ready mix. So directly I can buy a biryani ready mix. Just I can pour that biryani ready mix into the water and I can boil it, then the biryani will be ready. So that is like a package. Package means that is a ready mix. Directly we can use it. Language is not like that. Today I want to cook a biryani. Then I need to buy the rice and I need to buy all the ingredients and I need to mix all those things according to my requirement and I can boil it. Then I can prepare the biryani. We have advantages in the both things. What are the advantages with ready mix? Easy. But what is the advantage with our own preparation? According to our requirement, we can add the ingredients. Here also say the .NET is a good, the Java is also good. In the .NET, we have some predefined things. Directly we can use it. I mean, not only the .NET, all the packages are having some predefined things. Directly we can use it. But Java is not like that. We need to design according to our requirement. But Java is not a difficult. It is very, very, very easy. See, if you follow my classes, so after 3, 4 classes, you can say like you have a good knowledge on Java. Even you don't have any idea on programming, after 3, 4 classes, you have a good knowledge on Java. I mean, awareness on the Java. Okay, now coming to the class. See, just it's a little bit information only. Okay, now coming to the case sensitive language. Java is a case sensitive language. What is the meaning of case sensitive? Case sensitive means the uppercase characters you need to write in upper only, lowercase characters you need to write in a lower only. We should not write our own cases. You can't write the Java program with using your own case. See, in our classes, we are going to see where you need to write uppercase, where you need to write lowercase. I'll explain everything. Okay, but we should follow those rules. We should not use our own cases. We must follow the rules. Where is the upper and where is the lower? That is called as a Java is a case sensitive language. Next, every Java program begins with a class. Java program starts with a class. What is the meaning of a class? See, here the class is nothing but collection of methods and variables. Simply, the class is nothing but collection of both methods and variables. So what is a method and what is a variable? Say variable means, for example, even in your mathematics or somewhere, you can see like some x equal to 10, y equal to some 20, some z equal to 30. So like that, in generally in our real life, how we are seeing like this, x equal to 10, y equal to 20, z equal to 30 like that. See, in this example, this x, y, z, x, y, z. See, these things are called as a variables. Variables. So simply variable means it is a memory location. Variable means it is a memory location where you can store the values. Where you can store the values. So that means here we are storing the 10 into the x. Here we are storing the 20 into the y. Here we are storing the 30 into the z. So here this x, y, z, these things are called as a variables. A variable is nothing but a memory location where you can store some value. So in this example, this x is a variable, y is a variable, and z is a variable. So now coming to the method. Now what is the meaning of a class? Class is nothing but collection of both methods and variables. Till now we discussed what is a variable. Okay, variable means just it's a memory location where you can store the values. Here our x, y, z are variables. Then what about the method? Simply the method means it's a collection of statements or a bundle of statements. For your understanding, I'm saying like it is a bundle of statements or collection of statements. So here, observe the definition. So method is nothing but a collection of statements or a group of statements grouped as a single logical unit. A collection of statements grouped into a single logical unit. A bundle is nothing but a bundle of statements is called as a method. Say, for example, here I'm writing some method. My method is some M1. Assume like my method name is M1. In that M1 method, I'm writing a group of statements. I'm writing a group of statements. See, this group of statements is called as a method. So you are creating a method like this. See, in future, anytime if you need all these statements, you want to execute all these statements, simply you can call M1. If you call M1, then how many statements will execute? How many statements are available here? Here there are 5 statements, for example. So if you call M1, then how many statements will be executing? Totally, the 5 statements will be executed. So you can use it on tomorrow or day after tomorrow or anytime. So anytime, simply if you call M1, then all your statements, only one day you are creating this method. In future, any number of times you can call the method. In future, any number of times you can call the method. Simply the methods are used for reusability. Methods are used for reusability. Reusability means only one time we are creating the method. In future, any number of times you can call the method. Now for your understanding purpose, I'll explain one more example. Say, assume like in a classroom, there are 30 member students are there. And I'm dividing the 30 member students into 3 groups, group 1, group 2, group 3. In the first group, 10 students, the second group, the next 10 students, in the third group, final, last 10 students. See, anytime if I call like a group 1, how many people are responding? The first 10 people are responding. If I call like a please respond group 2, the second 10 people are responding. If I call like a please respond group 3, the last 10 members are responding. Only one day I'm dividing the students into 3 groups. In the entire year, any number of times I can call like a group 1, group 2, group 3. So instead of calling their 10 members names, instead of calling the 10 student names, so simply I'm calling a group 1, simply I'm calling a group 2, or simply I'm calling a group 3. So here I can easily call all the people at a time, and only one time we are creating the groups, and in the entire year any number of times I can use the group name, like I can call the people with using their group names. Okay, so here what is the meaning of a method? Method is nothing but a collection of statements grouped into a single logical unit. Single logical unit is nothing but a method. Simply it's a collection of statements, or simply it is a bundle of statements is called as a method. Okay, ma'am. So initially Java is a case sensitive language, so you must follow the cases, and every Java program is beginning with a class. What is the meaning of a class? The class is containing both methods and variables. The class is containing both methods and variables. What is a variable and what is a method? Variable means it is a memory location. It is a memory location where you can store the value. So what is a method? Method is nothing but a collection of statements, a group of statements. Okay. See now where you need to write this Java program. So how to install the Java? Now nowadays it is very simple. Writing the Java program, it's very simple. Just open your laptop and open any browser. Open any browser. It may be Chrome or any browser, and go to the Google page. In the Google page, just you need to type Eclipse download or download Eclipse, your wish. Okay, Eclipse. What is this Eclipse? Eclipse is an editor where you can type the program. Eclipse is an editor where you can type this Java programming. Okay, in easy way you can type the programs in the Eclipse. So after typing this Eclipse download, just and press enter, you will get the result like this. The top one you can see eclipse.org. It is the official website for the Eclipse, and you can click on this Eclipse downloads. If you click on this Eclipse downloads, you will get a page like this. The Eclipse official website opens like this. A little bit scroll it down. A little bit scroll it down. So after you scroll it down, just you need to click on here, download, this download button. So then you'll get the download. So after downloading that particular software, just double click on that. The Eclipse will be installing. So after installing the Eclipse, once the Eclipse installation is over, so the Eclipse shortcut will be created on your desktop like this. So after that, you can open your Eclipse. Open your Eclipse. First time when you are opening your Eclipse, it will ask for workspace. Initially, it will ask for workspace. So what is a workspace? Workspace means that is a memory location where the programs will be saved. You can choose any workspace and you can click on continue. So in that workspace daily our programs will be saved. Okay. So after that, see, you can see the Eclipse like this. In your Eclipse, you need to create your own folder. In the Eclipse, you need to create your own folder. Simply go to the file menu. In the file menu, go to the new option. In the new option, you can see Java project. Java project. Or some people are directly have a link, create a Java project. After opening your Eclipse, you will get a link, create a Java project. You need to click on that, create a Java project. Now simply it will create a folder. Okay. So whatever the folder name you want to give, you can give here. For example, today I want to learn the core Java. Just I am typing core Java. Spaces not allowed. Core Java. Like this, you need to type the core Java and click on finish. So after clicking on the finish, that particular core Java will be created on your left hand side like this. Yeah, it's a core Java. So after that, you need to create your package. Inside that core Java, you need to create your package. What is the meaning of a package? Here, a collection of classes, a collection of programs is called as a package. You need to create your own package name. So inside that package, you can create any number of classes. It means any number of programs you can create in future. But how to create that package? Simply right click on your core Java, right click on your core Java, go to the new. In the new, you have an option package. Package is nothing but a collection of programs, a collection of classes. Okay. So here you can give any package name. For example, I'm writing package 1. Just I'm writing package 1. Okay. So after writing the package 1, just click on finish. Now here inside the core Java, you can see a package. In that package, I want to start my first program. I want to start the today's first program. See, in the theory, what we discussed, what is the second point? Java program begins with a class. Java program is beginning with a class. So how to start a new program here? Simply right click on your package. Okay, ma? Right click on your package, go to the new class. Go to the new class. Every program is beginning with a class. Every program is beginning with a class. So you can write any class name. For example, for today, I'm writing it's a demo 1. For today, I'm writing it's a demo 1. So when you are writing the class name, the naming convention is it should begins with uppercase. Now, always the class name is beginning with uppercase. So in future, I'll explain the naming convention for all the things, like what is the naming convention for method, what is the naming convention for variable. So all those things we are going to discuss in our future classes. For today, simply the class naming convention is it must begins with a uppercase. Okay, demo 1. So you can give any name your wish. For example, I'm writing a demo 1. Click on finish. Today's our first Java program will be created. So here you can see on the top you can see your package name. What is the package name? Our package name is package 1. Inside that you can see your today's program name. So public class demo 1. It is a opening bracket. It is a closing bracket. Better keep this opening bracket in the next line. See, for every opening bracket, there should be a closing bracket. You need to verify it. Okay. So in our future classes, we are going to see what is this public. So what is the public? We are going to see in future. For today, just I want to write a small program in the demo 1. See, just if you press enter key in your keyboard, if you press enter key in the keyboard, then it will go with auto alignment. Automatically, it will take care of the alignment. So here in a Java program, when you are executing the program, this is a run button. You can see the run button here. See, when you are executing the program, always the execution starts with main method. Always the execution starts with main method. See how to write a main method. So to write a main method, we have a shortcut here. In our Eclipse, we have a shortcut. Simply you need to write main and control space. Now if you go with a main and control space, just main and control space, so it will ask you, you want a main method. Yes, I want a main method. Just double click on this main method. So if you double click on this main method, automatically the main method will be displayed here, created here. See once again, see inside the Java program, we need to write a main method. Why? Because when you are executing the program, always the execution starts with main method only. But how to write a main method here? Simply you need to write main main. Any case your wish. Just main main, control button, space bar, control space. See, when you are pressing the control space, it will ask for main method. Yes, simply you need to double click here. Automatically the main method will be displayed here. See, public static void main. Public static void main. Automatically it will be created by your Eclipse only. So in our future classes, we are going to see what is the meaning of public, what is the meaning of static, what is the meaning of void. So we are going to see in future in depth. See here it is a opening bracket and it is a closing bracket for your main method. So better you can keep this opening bracket in the next line. Then easily you can verify for every opening bracket there should be a closing bracket. So inside the main method, so here I want to write some print command. Just I want to print something. So if you want to print something in Java, we have a method system.out.println. What is the method? System.out.println. But here again we have a shortcut. Here the shortcut is sys out, out, out. Now you can write it in any case, your wish. Sys sys, out, out. Sys out, control, space. Control button, space bar. So sys out and control space, then it will display the system.out.println. System.out.println. So manually, if you want to type it, here the beginning character must be in the uppercase and the remaining characters must be in the lowercase. Okay, in this system.out.println, you can print anything. You can print anything. So for example, today I want to print a string. I want to print a string. String means a set of characters is called as a string, like Ramesh, Suresh, Sateesh, like that. Okay. So just for example, I want to print some heart. I want to print some heart. So it must be in a double quotation opening and double quotation closing. So here in Java, every statement should end with a semicolon. My every statement is ending with semicolon. See, just run the program. Just click on the run button. So where you can see the output, you can see the output in the console. In the bottom, you can see the console. Once it will ask for confirmation, just click on OK button. After OK button, in the bottom, in the console, you can see the output. So what is the output? Hi. So after that, I want to write one more statement, one more print statement. Just enter button. Now how to go with a print statement? Sys out, control, space. So then it will display the system.out.println. Within the double quotes, you can write anything. For example, I'm writing some Ramesh, something, your wish. Okay, just run it. It is asking for confirmation to save the program. Okay. So in the bottom, you can see the first statement is hi, the second statement is Son Varshith. Are you okay, ma'am? So once again, I'll execute, I'll create one more program, try to understand. See, presently the demo one is there. I want to create a demo 2. How to create a demo 2, the second program? Simply right click on your package. Right click on your package, go to the new class. Every Java program begins with a new class. Okay. And here it is asking the class name. I'm writing demo 2. Demo 2. Finish. So here a new program is created like a demo 2. See, just keep the opening bracket in the next line for your clarity only. Okay. And again, press enter key inside that bracket. Automatically, it will take care about alignment. Now, every Java program execution starts with main method. So in the program, we need to write one main method at least. We need to write one main method in the one Java program. It's compulsory. So how to write a main method? Main control space. It will ask for main method. Just to double click on the main method. Yes. Keep this opening bracket in the next. See, you need to observe the opening and closing brackets. See, it is a class opening, class closing, right, Amma? Class opening, class closing. Is a main method opening, is a main method closing. Okay, main method opening, main method closing. So here, inside that, I want to write a print command. So if you want to write a print command, then sys out, control space. Within the double quotation, you can write any string. So that is your wish. For example, I want to print my name. My name is Sateesh. Okay, just run it. It is a run button. Where you can see the output, you can see the output in the bottom. Okay, so now if you want to see your previous program, you want to see your demo 1. On the left hand side, you can see this demo 1 and demo 2. So what is the extension for the Java program? The Java program extension is .java. See, demo1.java, demo2.java. Just double click on demo 1. So you can see the first program, today's first program. So you can see the demo 2, double click on the demo 2. You can see the today's second program. See, not only this hi, hello, and not only these names, I want to go with some variables. If you want to go with some variables, see inside the main method, so just I want to go with a variable int x equal to 10. Semicolon is compulsory, but don't forget to give the semicolon. In Java, every statement is ending with semicolon. So here just x equal to 10, x equal to 10, and I want to print the x, then it will print the 10 here. But what is this int? Int is a data type. In the next class, we are going to see what are the different data types in Java. Data types mean what type of data you are going to store in that variable. Data type means what type of data you are going to store in that variable. Is it an integer? Is it a float? Float means is it a fractional number, or is it a whole number, or is it a string? Like that. Is it a Boolean value? So like that, we have a different types of data types. In the next class, clearly we're going to discuss about the data types. For today, you can understand like this integer means it is for storing the whole numbers. That means the full numbers. So it will not accept the decimal numbers. It will not accept the decimal numbers. If I write like a 10.5, no, it will not accept. See, immediately it is rising error. It will not accept. Type mismatch. Type mismatch. Why? Because here I am giving some integer. Integer means you need to give only the whole numbers. You can't give a decimal number. Okay, ma? Now I want to print that x. So if you want to print the x, so here instead of this Sateesh, I want to make it as x. My system.out.println, just I want to print the x here. If I am running the program, so what will be the output? The output is, what is the x value? Presently the x value is 10. Presently the x value is 10. See, some people are doing a small mistake in the beginning stage. So they are giving the variable also in the double quotation. Now, can you guess? If I run the program, what is the output? Can you guess if I keep that x in a double quotation? Double quotation means we are saying like it is a string. We are saying like the x is a string. So it will print the x as a output. Previously, you can see like a 10. But now what it is printing? If you keep that in a double quotation, if you keep it in a double quotation, it is printing like a x. So that's why for variables, when you are using the variables, you should not use the double quotation. So if you keep it in a double quotation, it will not treat it as a variable. So it will be treated as a string. That's why. So here, without double quotations only, you need to use the variable. See, I'm running the program again. See, the output will be 10. I'm taking one more variable like some int y equal to 20. Int y equal to some 20. And I want to print x plus y. I want to print x plus y. Then what will be the output? The output will be 10 plus 20 is nothing but 30. Nothing but 30. Okay, ma? See, like that. So we are writing our small Java programs. Today just I'm giving an introduction only. See, I think even you don't know about Java. So today after listening this class, you may have a little bit idea on the Java. So just within 1 or 2 minutes, I'm repeating. But before that, many of our students are watching the classes, but they forgot to subscribe. Please, it's my request. Just subscribe my channel. If you like the class, please like the video. And if you feel like it is useful to any of your friends, even the IT people or non-IT people, even the housewives, to anyone. So you can share it to anyone. So they have a little bit awareness on the programming. Okay. So please like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay. So now finally within 1 or 2 minutes, just I'm concluding for today. Tomorrow, again, I'll continue the remaining things. And I'm going to show you how to write a methods and how to reuse the methods in the next class. Okay. So here, observe here, Java is a case sensitive language, and Java program is beginning with a class. Every program starts with a new class. What is the meaning of a class? Class is nothing but collection of methods and variables. A collection of methods and variables. So what is a variable? Variable is nothing but it is a memory location where you can store the value. It is a memory location where you can store the value. So here some x equal to 10, y equal to 20. So x is a memory location where you are storing the 10. Now y is a memory location where you are storing that 20. That is a variable. Okay. What is a method? Method is nothing but a collection of statements, a group of statements, a bundle of statements. So it is mainly for reusability. Only one time we are creating a method, but in future, any number of times you can call the method. So in the next class, I'll show the example for methods. Okay, ma? So the class is containing both methods and variables. But when you are executing the program, always the Java program execution starts with main method only. Always the Java program execution starts with main method only. Now, where you need to write this program, the best option is Eclipse is one of the best option to type your Java program. Eclipse is one of the editor. So how to download it? Simply go to your Google page in your browser and you need to type like a download Eclipse or Eclipse download, your wish. And it is official website for the Eclipse, eclipse.org. You need to download like this. Say just you need to click on this download. After downloading, install it. You can see the Eclipse on your desktop. The shortcut will be creating. So open the Eclipse. It will open like this, and you need to create a new Java project. File new Java project. It will create your own folder. You can give any name. For example, I'm giving like a core Java. So after that, you need to create your own package. One package is containing a set of programs. So how to create a package? Right click on your core Java, new package. It is for creating a new package. You can create any number of packages. You can create like a classwork as a package, homework as another package, for example. Okay. Inside the packages, you can write any number of programs. So how to write a new program in the package? Right click on your package, go to the new class. Every Java program is beginning with a class. So when you are writing the class name, here the naming convention is the class name should begins with uppercase. Class name is beginning with uppercase. Today I explained just two demo classes, two demo programs. Like how to print statements and how to print variables inside your main method. In tomorrow's session, tomorrow the same class will be explained in Telugu. Again, in the day after tomorrow, I'll explain how to create a variables. How to define the methods, how to call the methods. How to reuse the methods, and the data types in Java, variables in the Java. Different types of variables in Java. So all these things I'll explain in the next classes. Please subscribe my channel. So for today, I'm closing here. So thank you for watching. Okay, thank you so much. So bye for today.